up, y'all? It's the next morning, so I'm about to try out this fabric shaver. It's to take off little fuzz things off of your clothes, your bed. I'm gonna start with my bed because my bed, let me show y'all. This is a brand new mattress. I bought it like right when I moved in, and these little fuzz things, I don't know what really causes the fuzz things, but it's quite annoying. So it makes it look like my mattress is dirty when really it's the fuzz. As you can see these things here, it makes it look so dirty, but it's not dirty. This is a brand new mattress. I've only had it for a year now, but that fuzz, man, that fuzz makes it look so like bad. You see that? It's all over my mattress. So we are about to try out this fabric shaver. Removes fuzz, lint, and piling. So renews clothes and all that good stuff. Let's try it out. Hope I don't need batteries, but I think I have quite a few batteries left over. The lint or whatever you want to call it out, and this is what came out so far. It's literally just fabric fuzz. So I have a lot more to go. I only did one spot, and this is how much came off the mattress. So yeah, let's keep going. So the mattress is all fuzz free, okay? Fuzz free. Love it. Hey y'all, so I'm about to go do my reels outside. I'm trying to debate whether or not I want to take all my outfits with me and just do them all at once instead of coming back in and out of the house. It's just going to be a little bit hard because I'm doing everything by myself. I wanted to ask DJ, but he went to the gym or to church or something like that. So I'm stuck doing all of it by myself, which I'm used to doing, but this time around I want someone with me. But it's Sunday, everybody's at church, so I'm gonna try to do this the best that I can in the car. I'm gonna try to do it. It's a bit windy and it looks like it's been raining, so I already have the first outfit on. The second outfit, what will I need? Let me put the earrings on there. I just don't wanna lose anything. Ugh, that's the only thing. And changing in the car is not easy. But good thing everything is black on black. So, you know, I don't have to worry about too much makeup issues. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to pack up this car outfit by outfit. All right, so I made it out the house. I have all my outfits. I have 40 minutes, so I have 4 outfits, 40 minutes, no more than 9 minutes on each because I have to get this done and I have to go to church because I gotta leave worship after this. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle this task. Hairbrush, my phone. All right, so put my AC up, get some water. It's a very gloomy day. There's no sun. It looks like it's going to rain, but it isn't going to rain yet, if that makes sense. So I think I'm going to be able to get a lot of good shots. I wish there was a little bit of sun, but I'm glad there's not, because I don't have to worry about sweating because ain't no sun. And I'm just gonna change in my back seat. None of my outfits are too hard. Well, the bodysuits are gonna be a little hard. I'm just gonna probably not clip them because ain't nobody got time for that in the back seat. This is gonna be really nice. These are gonna be some really nice shots for my monochromatic, my reels, my everything that I'm working on right now. So again, follow me, BerryFae 19, BerryFae Beauty, and BerryFae Aesthetics. I have recorded so many reels today for all 3 pages. Your girl's a boss, okay? A boss. Oh, not y'all falling over. Hold on, y'all, put y'all seatbelt on. I can't hold y'all on the tripod. Turn the car off. I need to set myself up. All right, you guys ready? Let's do this. All right, so we're gonna do some quick shots. We got outfit number 2. I'm only gonna do 3 outfits because I'm running out of time. It's already 10:30 and I'm just now starting my second one. So all right, so we're gonna start in front of the car actually.
And if I tell you how I feel, would you be good to me? Good to me. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy, my remedy. How long will you keep
outfit 2 is done. It's 10:40. I'm not gonna be able to do the next 2 outfits. I might try to do them after church, but I need to get back home to get ready for church. 10:40 and service starts at 11, so it's a wrap. But I got some really great content, so I'm super excited. And yeah, if I have time to do the other 2 outfits after church, I'll do it. If not, it's okay. I can really stretch the 2 outfits that I did do. I'm just so excited. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. All right, so let me go take my butt to church. Oh, I just love this. I want to do this full time. The guy was like, what are you doing? There's some white guy. I don't think the camera was recording at that time. And I was like, oh, I'm capturing some looks for work. He's like, oh, where do you work? I said, Instagram. He was like, wow. I said, yeah, it's cool, right? He said, yeah, I would love that job. I said, I do. I'm getting paid. To fill up my purse with organize my purse real quick. Just gonna do a quick one. Just want to see what this thing is giving. So here's the little purse thing. Okay, empty. Okay, so everything is out. Here's the purse. I do need to charge my AirPods, so because I do carry pretty much my entire line with me. So I'm just gonna put those on the side. My makeup stuff. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So makeup on the outer part. And I have a lotion that I'm gonna put on the inside. Where am I gonna put it? Right here. Lotion there. Now that I have a new phone, I have an extra charger, so I'm gonna keep this charger in my bag. And I have a comb. I'm always combing this bob. Put the brush next to the comb. My work bag, I'll put it on the outer part so I can easily access it. My glasses, put that by the lotion. Some keys, and a zipper. And then in here is like my little pouch when I'm on my cycle. I don't carry it all the time. I have one in my car as well. So because I just got off of my cycle, I'm not gonna put this. So yeah, I'm gonna be changing out my wallet soon. So I'm not gonna put it in this thing. This is more so gonna be for everything else. So let's go ahead and put this bag, or its organizer, inside the bag. And the good thing about this organizer, like if I want to change back to my Coach tote bag, I can just pick this up and go. So that's really cool. I'll put it inside. And then boom. There's an organized bag. Organized to the T. Hello?